Hello everyone, and welcome to a new lesson. And today we're going to learn a new letter. What letter shall we learn? Let's learn the letter X. 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 This is the capital letter X. This is the lowercase letter X. 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 X for ox. 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 X for exit. 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 X for xylophone. 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 X for X-ray. 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 Let's try to practice the sound X with tongue twister. Let's start. Old Oxford ox got X-ray on Christmas. Let's read it slowly. Old Oxford ox got X-ray on Christmas. Let's try it quickly. Old Oxford ox got X-ray on Christmas. Excellent, well done. Let's write the letter X down. X. X. And now it's game time. And the game called I Spy with My Little Eye. Let's start. I spy with my little eye a word with X. Are you ready? Go! Excellent! Ox. I spy with my little eye a word with X. Are you ready? Go! Good job! Exit. I spy with my little eye a word starting with X. X-ray. Excellent. And the last one. I spy with my little eye a word starting with X. Xylophone. Good job. And let's have some practice. Can you find these words? Can you find the word ox? Excellent, good job. Can you find the word exit? Well done. Can you find the word xylophone? Good. Can you find the word X-ray? Excellent, good job. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe, and it's Teacher Alice with English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.